Hi, I'm Dr. Marco Cueva, and if you're struggling with loose dentures, failing teeth, or you're tired of hiding your smile, this message is for you. Many people think there is no easy solution to missing teeth. But what if I told you that we could restore your entire smile in just one day? It's called the All-on-4 dental implants procedure, and it's one of the most advanced life-changing treatment we offer. With just 4 implants per arch, we can secure a beautiful full set of teeth that look, feel, and function just like your natural teeth. Our patients tell us that they can finally eat what they want, speak with confidence, and feel like themselves again. No more adhesives and loose dentures, no more embarrassment, just a strong, confident smile. Not everyone is a candidate, but that's why we offer a free consultation. We'll take a 3D scan, evaluate your mouth, and give you a personalized treatment plan, all with no obligation. Don't wait another year to get your life back. Schedule a free All-on-4 consultation today, and a new smile, a new you can be just one day away.